J-Boy Palangpalong from BSC 29, and today I will answer the question: is criminal investigation considered an art or a science, and why? This is a very interesting question because criminal investigation deals with solving crimes, which requires both logical method and creative thinking. Criminal investigation is both an art and a science, and here's why. First, it is a science. Science is all about systematic method, evidence, and facts. Investigators use scientific principles like forensic science, fingerprinting, DNA analysis, and ballistics to gather and examine evidence. They follow established procedure to ensure that evidence is collected properly and that the investigation is accurate and reliable. For example, when investigators collect blood sample or analyze CCTV footage, they apply the scientific method, observe, test, and draw conclusion based on hard evidence. This scientific side ensures that cases can hold up in court. Second, it is an art. Art involves creativity, intuition, and human understanding. A good investigator must know how to interview witnesses, read body language, and connect small pieces of information to form a bigger picture. Sometimes there is no direct evidence, so investigators need to think outside the box, ask the right questions, and make logical guesses based on experience. For instance, solving a murder case might require understanding the suspect's emotion or predicting their next move. Skills that no laboratory test can teach. Because of these two sides, criminal investigation cannot be fully effective if it relies only on science or only on art. The scientific method give accuracy while the artistic skills give insight and creativity. Together, they help investigators uncover the truth and achieve justice. In the conclusion, criminal investigation is both an art and a science. Science provides the tools and procedures for collecting and analyzing evidence, while art brings the human skills of intuition, creativity, and critical thinking. A great investigator balances both to solve cases and serve justice. Thank you for listening, everyone. Have a good day.